Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a chevron crochet shawl pattern. This is called peephole chevron crochet shawl pattern, which I am going to show you in this video. A beginner friendly pattern, and you can use it to make crochet baby blankets or adult blankets as well if you want. And I am using a Cindy cake for this purpose. I have uploaded a video of this yarn review on my channel already. You can check it out as well. And I am using a number 5mm crochet hook. So let's get into the video. So first of all, make a slip knot, and now we would make base chain for our project with the help of crochet hook. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. In this way, make 30 chains. So I have made 30 chains. Now for the pattern, we will make 2 more chains, 1 and then 2. So you have to make 10 multiples of 10 plus 2 chains at the end, as long as you want your project to be, as wide as you want your project to be. Now to start the first row, make 3 chains, 1, 2 and then 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this 4th chain from the hook, and then draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now into the next chain, make 1 double crochet, then into the next chain make 1 double crochet, and into the next one make 1 double crochet. We have a set of 5 double crochet stitches here, including first 3 chains. Now skip 2 chains. Into the third one we are going to make a double crochet. We need a set of 4 double crochet stitches here, so double crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet into the next chain. So we have a set of 4 double crochet stitches here, and we have made the lower part here, and we are going to make the upper part of the zigzag pattern for the chevron shawl. So make 2 chains, and into the very next chain here make 1 double crochet, then make 3 double crochet stitches in next 3 chains, we have 4 double crochet stitches here, and skip 2 chains into the third one, make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next one, 1 double crochet into the next one, and then 1 double crochet into the next one. Make 2 chains again for the upper part, make 1 double crochet into the very next chain, 1 double crochet in next 3 chains in each of them, we have a set of 4 double crochet stitches here again. Skip 2 chains into the next one, make 1 double crochet. So repeat this process till the end. So I have made these 4 double crochet stitches. Now you can see in the start we have 5 double crochet stitches on this side. So here we have 4, and we are going to make another double crochet stitch into this last chain to have 5 double crochet stitches on this side as well. At the corners we will have 5 double crochet stitches on each side, and in the center we will have 4 double crochet stitches for the pattern. So now make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Turn up the work, and we are going to make a double crochet in this same stitch here to make an increasing pattern. Then make a double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, and a double crochet into the next one. We have a set of 5 double crochet stitches here again, you can count. So now we are going to skip these 2 stitches for the lower part, and into the next one we are going to make a double crochet. So make a double crochet here, then into the next stitch make a double crochet, then into the next one make a double crochet, then we have chain 2 space. In this chain 2 space make a double crochet, then make chain 1 and chain 2, make a double crochet in this same chain 2 space, then into the next 3 stitches we are going to make 1 double crochet in each, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Now we are going to skip these 2 stitches, and into the third one make 1 double crochet, into the next one make 1 double crochet, then into the next one make 1 double crochet. We have chain 2 space, make double crochet 1, 2 chains, and a double crochet. So repeat this following process till the end. We have 3 double crochet stitches in these 3 stitches, and we have third chain here. In this third chain make double crochet 1, and then into the same third chain make double crochet 2, like this, and we have a set of 5 double crochet stitches here also. Now make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3. Turn up the work again into the same stitch, make 1 double crochet, then into the second stitch make 1 double crochet, into the third stitch make 1 double crochet, then into the fourth stitch make 1 double crochet, and after that we are going to skip 2 stitches again, then into the third stitch from here make 1 double crochet, then into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, into the next one make 1 double crochet, and then into the chain 2 space make 1 double crochet, then make 2 chains, and into the same chain 2 space make 1 double crochet. So this is our pattern. We will follow the same pattern for the whole of this part, and you can make your project as wide as you want and as long as you want. So in inches you can measure your project. So repeat the same row one after the other till the end of your project. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.